Hello dear students, today again we are here with a new topic, coding and decoding. I am Priyanka Agrawal, your logical reasoning trainer. So let's start with a new topic, coding and decoding. Basically, coding and decoding is what you have seen in many movies, in many web series, that there are some words which are encrypted for the purpose of the security, right. So similarly we just learn that how will we do this coding and decoding, right. So this in this coding and decoding type of questions, what happen there, we divide the question into two sections. In first part of the section you need to analyze the pattern, right, in what format the pattern is given, and in the other format you have to apply that pattern, right. So let's see, it's very simple, it's not a very difficult topic. We'll see, start with coding and decoding. Okay, so we'll study certain types of coding. We start with letter coding, number coding, symbol coding, chain coding, and mixed letter number coding, right. So we'll zoom it in each type of coding one by one, and we'll understand each and every type of coding. Okay, let's start letter coding. Letter coding. Okay, so see, if submit is coded as TVCNJU, find code for never, right. As I have told you, in coding and decoding we have two parts of the question. One is this part and one is this part, right. So from this part you just find out the pattern, you just understand what is the pattern, and when you find out the pattern you need to apply it here, right. So let's see. Okay, so I have written submit is coded as TVCNJU. Now let's understand letter by letter. Okay, S is coded as T, U is coded as V, B is coded as C, M is coded as N, I is J, and T is U. So if you are smart enough, you understand that the code is just a successor of each letter. After S, what is the letter? T. After U, we are getting V. After B, we are getting C. After M, we are getting N. After I, there is J. After T, we are getting U. So that means we just need to add one letter, right. We just need to add one letter. So just apply this here as well. Let's apply. What is the letter after N? O. What is the letter after E? F. What is the letter after V? W. What is the letter after E? F. And what is the letter after S? R is S. So this is my answer. So this is my answer, O, F, W, F, S, right. So this is the way. So this is a very basic question that to start with. Let's move on. Okay, if come is coded as BNLD, so you need to understand the pattern from here and then apply into this. Okay, if come is coded as BNLD, okay, so if come is coded as BNLD, so let's see letter by letter. C is coded as B, O is coded as N, M is coded as L, and E is coded as D. Now how to understand the pattern? Yes, you are right, it is just preceding one letter, right. It is getting -1. Before C we are getting B, before O we are getting N, before M we are getting L, before E we are getting D, right. So we just need to move just one step before, right. So let's start. Before T, which is the letter? S. Before R, what is the letter? Q. Okay, which is the letter before A? Which is the letter before A? When we talk about in coding, decoding or series, the A to Z, it goes from A to Z and then again it goes from Z to A, right. So if it has been asked that what is the letter before A, so it is not like that it is not possible. Yes, there is a letter that is Z. So it is going in a circular order, A to Z, then again Z to A, then A to Z. Okay. Before D, the letter is C, and before E, the letter is T, right. So I just need to go one letter back, and the answer is SQZCD. This is my answer. Okay, let's move on. If zeal is, I want you to try by yourself. If zeal is coded as AVZO, find the code for high. Okay, if you see in this, Z is A, E is V, A is Z, and L is O, right? So it's not like one or two letter forward or backward, so there is no such understanding. The best way I can suggest you, always, if you are not quickly understanding the pattern, always write the position of the letters. Always try to write the position of the letters. To understand what is the letter for what is the position for Z, everyone knows it is 26, right? What is the position of E? So you have to count A, B, C, D, E. Rather, I'll suggest you a shortcut. You just need to remember EJOT, right? Why I'll tell you to remember EJOT? E is 5th letter, J is 10th letter, O is 15th letter, T is 20, and Y is 25, right? If you remember this at least 5 letters, then you can, on the reference basis, you can find the letters. Okay, so let's try to plug in the data. What is the position of E? 5. What is the position of A? 1. What is the position of L? So I know that J is 10, and K is 11, and L is 12, right? So I am just putting it 12. Since I remember this 5 letters, so I can very easily find out the letters which are nearer to these letters. Similarly, let's put the position for this. A is 1, V. V is near to which letter? T. T, U, V. T is 20, U is 21, and V is 22. Z is 26, and O is, we know, 15. Okay, 26 and 1, 5, sorry. (26) and 1, 5 and 12, 1 and 26, and 1 and 26 and 12 and 15, right? So how we are getting these data? Let's see. 26 and 1, 5 and 22, 1 and 26, 12 and 15. So what is common in all this? We'll see the sum of code and decode. If we add, it is 27, right? If we add all these codes, 26 and 1, 5 and 22, 1 and 26, 12 and 15, so it should come to 27, right? So we just need to apply the same pattern to this high as well. Okay, so let's put 8, H is 8, I is 9, G is 7, and H is 8. And the sum of the code and the decode should be 27. So if H is 8, what could be the next pair? It should be 19. Then only the sum become 27. If 9 is here, then the other letter should be at 18. If 7 is here, then the other letter should be at 20. And if 8 is here, then again it should be 19. Right? So my numbers are what? 19, 18, 20 and 19. Okay, let's try to put the letters in place of these positions. Which is the 19th letter? 19th letter is just before T. Just before T it is S. 18th, which is the 18th letter? 18th letter is the R. Which is the 20th letter? We know it's T20. Which is the 19th letter? Again that is S, right? So our code is SRTS. That is my answer, SRTS. Okay. If join is coded as MRLO, then find code for beat. Again, you start by yourself. Just put the position letters for the position and then start with doing with the apply the same to the question. Okay, so let's see. Join is MRLQ, right? So let's try to put the codes, put the positions. J is 10, O is 15, I is 9, and N is 14. with the same Ijoti code, if you can remember. I remember the position of each letter, so I can write directly. M is 13, R is 18, L is 12 and Q is 17. 10 becomes 13, 15 become 18, 19, 9 become 12 and 14 become 17. Do you understand any pattern? Yes. It is what happening? It is adding just plus 3. Plus 3, see 10 plus 3, 13, 15 plus 3, 18, 9 plus 3, 12 and 14 plus 17 is 14 plus 3 is 17. Right? So, if you are writing the position, it is very simple for you to understand the code. Okay, let's write down the code for beat. Let's write down the position for beat. B is 2, E is 5, A is 1 and T is 20. We just need to add 3. So, 2, when we add 2 with 3, it became 5. When we add 3 in 5, it became 8. When we add 1 in 3, it became 4 and this is 23. Right? Let's write the data. Let's write the letters in place of this. This is E, this is H, this is D and this is W. Right? You just need to be quick in understanding the position, which position belongs to which number. So, if you is to start with, you go with the Ijoti code, and once you are good in the practice, then you can place directly with the letters. So, this is my answer, E, H, D, W. Okay, let's see. If roast is coded as TSAOR, find the code for India. Okay, let's start writing by the letters. This is 18, R is 18, O is 15, A is 1, S is 19 and T is 20. Okay, let's write down the data for this. 20 for T, 19 for S, 1 for A, O 15 and R is 18. Okay, let's establish a pattern. 18 becomes 20, that means plus 2. 15 become 19, that means plus 4. 1 become 1, that means 0. Nothing addition, no subtraction. 19 become 15, that means minus 4. 20 become 18, that means minus 2. Right? So, our pattern is what? Plus 2, plus 4, 0, minus 4, minus 2. Right? If there is a pattern which is increasing, decreasing, you need to understand such pattern. Okay? So, let's apply the same for the India. What is the code for I? That is 9. N is 14. D is 4. I is 9. And A is 1. So, again let's apply plus 2, plus 4, 0, minus 4, minus 2, right. Okay. So, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 plus 4 is 5, sorry, 14 plus 4 is 18, 4 plus 0 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5 and 1 minus 2. See, this is not a actually mathematical operation. We know that A is if A is at first position, then we know the letter before it is Z and the letter before Z is Y, right. We have to move backward for the two positions, right. So, it is not like that if you see that this is minus 1, so you say that this is minus 1, so how can we find the position? Yes, it's if you start counting backwards, so that become Y is the minus 1 position. So, let us see if 11th, what is the position at 11th? That is K, King's 11, you remember King's 11 Punjab. So, you can write K, that is at 11th position. That is a trick how to remember the letters, and that is what I am sharing with you. R is 18, D is 4, this is E and this is Y, right. So, this is my answer, K, R, D, E, Y, this is my answer. This is the code for India, right. So, this is all about the letter coding. Let us move on to the number coding. Okay, so let us start with the number coding. Okay, what happens in this? What is the difference in this? You have seen in the last section that it was letter to letter coding. That means a letter is coded into some other letter with some following some pattern. In this section, what happened in number coding, each letter got coded into some numbers, right? So again, you have to be very good with the positions, you have to be very good in visualization, so you can easily put the data. Let's see. See, in this kind of data, if you see, Calcutta is coded as 5375983, right? And actual, the very smartest step is the smartest approach is, if you the code you which need to find out, will all the letters is available in the question itself. A is available there, C is available there, T is available there, U is available there, A is available there, and L is available there. If all the letters are available in the question itself, you need not to find the pattern, you just write directly the answers. Okay, so what is the code for A? That is 3. I'll just choose. Okay, what is the code for C? That is 5. So I'm just writing 5. What is the code for T? That is 8. What is the code for U? That is 9. And what is the code for A? That is 3. And what is the code for L? That is 7. Right? So this is my answer. What is my answer? 3, 5, 8, 9, 3, 7. So this is my answer. Okay? It's very easy, pretty easy. Directly you just need to map the letters and directly find the answer, if all the letters are in there in the question. Okay, if beg is coded as 257, find code for cache. Okay, you see, there are no letters common. C is there and there is no C. A is there is no A. So we need to now establish a pattern. Okay, so if you don't find any pattern, just go with the position. Just start writing the positions. What is the position for B? That is 2. What is the position for E? That is 5. And what is the position for G? Is 7. So the code is, how the code is written, it's directly representing the position of these letters. So let's start writing the positions of these letters. What is the position of C? 3. What is the position of A? 1. What is the position of C? 3. What is the position of H? 8. And what is the position of E? That is 5. You remember Ejoti helps you everywhere. So our answer is 31385. Okay, the next word, bed is coded as 476. Find the code for 839. Here what happens? Here the word is given and its code is given. Now the code is given, you have to find the word for it. Okay, now the bed is coded as 4, E is coded as 7, and G is coded as 6. Okay. So let's write down the position. B is what? 2, E is what? 5, and D is what? 4. So do we find any pattern into it? Yes. 2 is 4, 5 is 7, and 4 is 6. That means what is happening? We are just adding 2 in each of the position. Okay. So in order to find the code for it, if the code is given, which is 2 more than the initial code, that means we have to go 2 steps backwards, right? So the position should be at 6, the position should be at 1, the position should be at 7, right? Now let's plug in its letters. Letter will be what? For 6 we have F, for 1 we have A, and for 7 we have G. So our answer is F, A, G, fag. Okay, so this is my answer. Let's move on. Okay, quick is coded as 10, 6, 18, 24, 16, and find the code for goat. Okay, so let's try. Okay, we don't understand any pattern, so what is the first our approach? Just write the position. So Q is 17, U is 21, I is 9, C is 3, and K is Kings 11 Punjab. Yes, so K is 11. 17 is 10, 21 is 6, 9 is 18, 3, 24, 11 and 16. Do you understand any pattern? Do you find any, I able to crack any pattern? Just visualize. Yes. What is happening? It is, see, there are two approaches, right? One, in some of the books you will find that it will say that start counting the letters in the backward, like Z is 1, then Y is 2, and this and the consecutively. So you'll see the C is 24th position and K is at 16th position. But in my view, don't get into so much of confusion. Rather just add, see the addition. Addition is 27, 27, 27, 27 and 27. So we know that we have to add, we have to put the number such that the addition should come at as a 27. Okay. So let's write down the position for G. It should be 7. O is 15, A is 1 and T is T20, that is 20. Okay. So if this is 7, then which should we write in order to make it 27? We should write 20 here. This is not visible, I will just put. Okay. If so, we should write 20 here. Okay. If 15 is here, then what we should write, that it become 27, right? We should write what? We should write 12 here. If A is 1, then we should write 26 here. And if T is 20, we should write 7 here. So it become 27. Right? So our answer is 20, 12, 26 and 7. So this is my answer. So this is my answer. Okay, let's move on. If dark is coded as 7, 4, 21 and 14, find code for able. Let's see. Okay, try. If D is, again just write down the first approach is that should come to our mind is, go with this, start with the letter 4. A is 1. R is RST, right? RST, it should be what? It should be 18. And this is what? K, King's 11, that is 11. Fine? Okay, let's see. 4 is converted into 7, A is converted into, this is not 14, this is 4, this is 4. This is 4 here, right? Okay, so A is 4. 18 is converted to 21 and 11 is converted to 14. Okay. So how we are getting 4 into 7 and 1 into 4 and 18 into 21 and 11 into 14? It's very simple. We just need to add 3. Add 3. Add 3. Right? We need to add 3. So similarly, we are just putting the data. This is 1, this is 2, this is 12 and this is 5. So what you need to do? You just need to add 3. If we add 3 in 1, we'll get 4, 3, 5. And if we are adding 3, we are getting 15. If we are getting 3, we are getting 8. So our answer is 4, 5, 15 and 8. That is my answer. 4, 5, 15 and 8. Okay. So this is my answer. Okay, let's go into some other type of questions. Okay, let's see. If bore is coded as 10, find the code for hotel. What if bore is equals to 10? So now there is no letter to letter coding or letter to number coding. Directly it's just one number is given 10, right? So how to do it? Again the same approach, start with lighting the positions. This is 2, this is 4, this is 18 and this is 5. 5. Okay. Now let's add it. If we are adding 2 and 15 and 18 and 5, how you add it? I'll just suggest you always try to make as much as zeros you can. So add 2 and 18 and add 15 and 5, right? If you are adding 18 and 2, you are getting 20, and when you are adding 15 and 5, you are getting 20. So total addition is 40. Now 40 is converted into 4. Now we have to think how this 40 is converted into 4. Okay, so we'll see that there are 4 letters only. Okay, so there are only 4 letters, and if we divide with the number of letters, are we getting the answer? Yes, right. So all this you have to understand by practicing itself. The more you practice, the more you understand, right? So just write down. H is 8, 15, T 20, E is 5, and L is 12. Let's add it. When you add all these data, again by just add it, like 15 and 5 is 20, and this is again 20. 20 and 20, 40, and this is 20. That means 60. Right? This is the simplest way of calculating. And how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. I'll just divide it by 5. So my answer is 12. So answer is 12. This is my answer. Okay, let's move on. Okay, try by yourself. If make is coded as 120. Again, let's start. Make is 120. Find the code for drama. First of all, let's write down the code. M is what? M N O. So O is 15. M should be 13. A is 1. K. King is 11. 11. A is 5. Okay, let's add up. If we are adding it up, how much we are getting? 30. Right? If we add it up, we'll get 30. You try to add it up. 13 and 11, that is 24, and 1 25, and 5 is 30. Right? Now 30 is converted into 120. 30 is 120 is, we know that 120 is 4 times of 30. So if we multiply it by 4, we are getting 120. Now how we are getting 4 here? Again, look at the number of letters. There are 4 letters. Okay, so the number of letters is getting multiplied with the addition of the positions, right? So let's do the same thing with drama. This is 4, this is 18, this is 1, this is what? 13, and this is 1. Okay, let's add up. If we are adding the number of positions, this is giving 37. We are getting 37. 37. Now what is the next process? We need to multiply it by which number? The number of letters in the word. How many numbers of letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters. So we just multiply it by 5. And we'll get how much? 185. So my answer is what? 185. Okay. Let's move on. If pen is coded as 32, find the code for pencil. Okay. Let's see if pen is coded as 32. Again, the same thing. I'm writing the letters. 16, position, 5, and NO. That means this is 14. Okay. Fine. Let's add it up. If we are adding, we are getting 35. 35 is converted to 32. If we subtract 35 with 3, then only we are getting 32. Now how we are getting 3? Again we look at the letters. There are 3 letters. Okay, so we are subtracting it with the number of letters. So do the same thing with the words. This is 16, this is 5, this is 14, this is 3, this is 9, and this is 12. Add it. How much you are getting? If you are good in addition, just add it. This is 59, right? I also get all this with the lots of practice, so it's not that I'm good into it. So you also have to do lots of practice. Okay, so this is 59. Now what is the next step? I need to subtract it with some number. Which number? The number of letters in the word. How many letters in the word? There are 6 letters in the word. So my answer is 53. So this is my code for this pencil, right? So this is how we are doing the number code. We are doing the letter coding. We are doing the number coding. So in this section, I have covered about these 2 types of coding. In the other section, I'll be covering the next types of coding. So please do watch all these videos so that you can get better understanding for all these kind of coding and decoding. Okay. So thank you for watching and stay blessed. Thank you. Bye.